to the TriCopter Scratchbuild project on the DutchRC channel. And construction time. The first thing we will be doing is transferring this design onto the piece of wood I'm going to make the frame out of. Keep in mind that the copter will be 45 centimeters in width and this here is 50 centimeters, but the copter will be a little longer. I haven't decided how much longer, but I'm going to be needing a piece of frame over here for the yaw setup. So, okay, like I said, I'm going to be drawing the outline first. Let's get started. Alright, I've drawn up the outer perimeters by now. This is the width, the total width of the TriCopter, and this will be the initial length. 50 centimeters, 45 centimeters. And the next thing I'll be doing is drawing up these circles. And I'm going to be using a piece of foam board as a what? Ruler? I'm not sure. Okay. For this I will cut a tiny little hole in my center over here. The wood is reasonably soft, so this is an easy thing to do. Okay, and in this hole my center point will be fixed like this. Alright, here we go. Alright, as you can see, the front of the copter circular design is drawn up, and these curves are also already drawn in, but something went wrong in my editing, so I'm going to show you again how I did this. Now, for these curves I'm going to be using the template of my previous build, the quadcopter, and when I line it up over here with the outer perimeter like this, and if I line it up over here at the top, I can just draw out this curve and this curve, the outer piece of this arm, and of course the same on the other side. I just line it up on the edge over here, and I line it up at the top over there, and then I can draw this and this curve, hartje, and then I just extend that curve to the outer edge over here. Now the last thing to do then on those curves is to round it off, round all these edges off, and for that I simply used a roll of tape. It had approximately the right diameter, the diameter that I wanted it to have. So I just drew around that roll of tape on all the edges, and now I have nice smooth edges everywhere. Alright, now the last thing, and it's an important thing, is the length of the tail piece. Like I said, I want it to be a little longer, because on the bottom side of the quadcopter, the tricopter, sorry, will be two rudder pieces. They'll be hanging down, like it's now standing up. It'll be hanging down from the frame, and two servos will, well, I hope they will inflict yaw action by redirecting the airflow that's coming down from this propeller. Now, of course, for this to be hinged well, I need a straight line, and this over here, 2 centimeters from the outer edge, will be the motor's center line, or like this. This is where the motor will be mounted, and from that point, 2 centimeters in, I have 6, is that correct? Yeah, 6 more centimeters of straight edge. So that meant that I also had to have 6 centimeters on the other side from the motor's center. Does that make sense? Yeah, I want this to be symmetrical to the motor's edge center. So I will pick up as much of this blade's wash as of that blade's wash. So that also meant that the quadcopter will be 6 centimeters longer. Is that correct? Let me check this. No, that's not correct. From the motor's center line, it'll be 8 centimeters to the right and 8 centimeters to the left, and that means that the tricopter will be 6 centimeters longer. So, with that, I now have a outline for my tricopter, and in the next video I'll be cutting the outer perimeter and these slots. I'm not sure what I will be putting in every segment of this build. I'll just have a look how long the videos will turn out, but it'll be online shortly. For now, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. And see you back in another video. Bye bye.